Dabia makacho se beka ne sene yesimetie. Yemfa bi nka yenyi bi so emfa emfrimu. Me ne akwese ense Asem Yi Di Ka brera adusui. Just gone by a video ya wo hwe ya. Eye fishing habo ya aban asi. Ede ama amanfo ye wo eman emu. Dabia meka Asem wo chiro se yemfa Asem Yi Di Ka ensi wo se ye beka bone nko ewo aban mu. Papa ye ne aba eso wo abamu so no ye be matemamufo so ehu, and one of them ene ye sa fishing habo ye show e de kire wo no. So kudos to the Minister for Transport Onmanyamfo Kwaku Fori Esiama, President Nana Addo Kwaku, the Vice President Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia. Saboshe na mo share Ghana this year, especially when they were Jamestown no. Mama Saboshe no abem. This is a good one. We say make sure the old state of the Jamestown fishing harbor, and I'm about who the new face ne so or more enya. Moya there, keep it up. Last minute ya kama na nado dan kwa kufada mamu abana wiye ni akabia hoden betimi aboa motimi awie bia no monyire hona monye. So once again, Transport Minister Koko Foresiama, once again President Anado Danko, in fact ukwa na ohye bono President wakasa na aje kasamu and na sha ohye sabon and we make sure say saboshe no etimi abamu. Depend for my idea. Na ade baako ese meye di NPI mrahye yafo wo Asante Mante mududo na ye MPP fo meye dem ho yawo mehu ade bia enya kono enye fe na mebodin yeah mebodin chese enye fe ese saade no ebetimi akoso enye fe kura se otumfo abo foto de ato se yemfa ensese Komfanoche teaching hospital near say amanfo nye contributions and fan support. Do you know say out of the 47 members of parliament who Asante Mantem no emu 7 pay and so for my contribution 7 and mebo mudin 1 honorable Eugene Boachi entry why contribution. Honorable Osei Chairman Sabonsu why contribution. Honorable Francis Asenso Boachi, Minister for Roads and Highways, MP for Baltimore, why contribution. Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe, running mate to Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia, also a contribution. And as was say Mrashe Bejani, Honorable Muntaka, and so a contribution. There's one other MP, Fache Maria Field, the Mekaya Meka, and the Education Minister, Onmanyamfo ya also ehwe Ghana edisua enwo ensem eso enso aye contribution. These are the only 7 members of parliament who Asante Mantemwa, or more 47 members of parliament. 47 members of parliament, and with 7 pair. And it's mere contribution towards the heat Komfanoche project. It's bad. It's bad. Me bold in Udin Kanwa, it's a shame. But mutiminye sika de talkers talk a vote. Mumanfo pomuden or yaria hospital beko ye kwako siesie contribute MPs maku 40 in Ashanti region to your contribution. This is so bad. It's so bad. Huh? Why? How much will it cost you? Miami Chrome MP won't come home. Ni didn't listen him. And listen, this is according to Sami Edubuachi, one chairman of the Hill Komfanoche project. What the man's list way? Sarkozy, out of the 47 MPs, 7 per Dr. Yao Osei Educhum, Honorable Muntaka, Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe, Francis Asensu Bwache, or say Che Mesa Monsu, and na Eugene Wache entry, and I'm saying I could come a kind of Becca home. Oba Monkey come near him guasie. Me see me akasem kroma santeman po MP, eka humbi. Omo munchi no ka humbi. Let's contribute. A project for Santeman, project for Ghana man yana. Konfanochi Teaching Hospital receive referrals from about 50 or 14 regions. Alpa yatwa ay Galamsey nsensem ne so. Yatwa Galamsey nkomo ne so. Pakato se entokwane de sienia brese yebeku a yebeku. Enia brese as oman yebeku ntokwana yebeku. But send up an cultural or media review no. Ni yeye ni bibia sesi say we are not serious. Wa wo hwe me unim so mining nyina ye serious to fight Galamsey. O ya we. Send up make cultural say the very day ya or man ye be serious say ye fighting Galamsey no obi nkan kire yen. We ourselves we will know. We will know it. And I mean, share your software, your DNMO, see your press conference, you're good. Other CSOs, yeah, super fantastic. But I don't make catch of can be see your software, me financiers of Galamsey, so I mean Ghana, a software. A software. Serious financiers. Or moving the dome sika, a touch and finding at the Adema for conscious or yejuma. A software. Push me bomudin.
Hello, send it here.
Abu bomudin me obi ehu. Tina me catch a Cali Bishop conference. Mo anka sabon crop for bo show mumu. Asofo. Uko so hanga, also hanga. Tino bi enti me kan wasem. TMT says ministry in the crata base abain say na ye ma regional ministers no to but quickly honorable John Samuel Abujinapo on a minister for lands and natural resources. No mo ye emergency meeting in Shey omde gu akwemu to deal with the second phase of Galamsey uprising. Yen hwe ne o say abain so meye no mo clamping down on this menace ye eha o menhwe Samuel Abujinapo be say
last week, and that review is complete. We had a very extensive deliberations with all regional ministers this morning, and I'm just coming from a meeting of the National Security Council, which was chaired by the President, and a thorough review has been done when it comes to the matter of small-scale mining. First is that we should encourage this discussion, because I think, because the reports we are getting, that the discussion in and by itself is building some, even if it's not, even if it's minimal, like the fact that it's being talked about, people are very much on the lookout. Second is that we've put in enforcement measures, as I say, but we are going to ramp them up. We are going to take them a notch higher. And so the various regional security councils have been tasked to conduct reconnaissance, scrutiny of their various jurisdictions, and begin to roll out suits and enhance the enforcement regime. The details of which I think we all agree I should withhold for the time being. But in the days and weeks to come, we will see a heightened or ramped up enforcement regime and enforcement mechanism. We've decided that they should use local resources. In other words, the resources at the disposal of the various REXs, because as you know, the REXs have police, they have military, they have this, they have that. And the regular law enforcement apparatus of the state, which is the Ghana Police Service.
No chrome, yes, sir, but how can I pass a what? But how can I pass them this year? Unse no kind of medical cancer, yenye serious. Yenye serious baku kra. The regional district security officers no. Omda so tu na Galamsey kokoso. Police for na minister say or one mampeni asam to be say ye you show at the local level fighting Galamsey no. What was a CA? And a Galamsey no kokoso. Kosi no kohwe. Boro sino. Kokonongo. Eti ebe sabe trasa be yusu Konongo district police commander. So ne mranta ko fight Galamsey obetimi aye. Obetimi aye. Yes, sabe trasa simo o se men sansa metrase and some head the fight against Galamsey so asantimante wotimi aye. Central region ma obetimi aye. Western regional minister obetimi aye. Watron finshan su kon finshan wachi o Galamsey yetimi mrase. Enya se etu ase yetimi mrase kura. As a regional minister, your Western region, on today, obe farm you sit no. Na ensuo ni te say Western region. And no tell so 7 years ensuo ni te say. Yes, the pakon na sam there be see enye serious. Sika no be chedie. Sika no ba be chedie. No kra wo no. Yam say last minute obi anyene de no nko. We last hour me oni mre. Because honorable Samuel Bujina po enkosi aga. We are not serious. You're serious. Minister, with all due respect, you're serious. Because the same people almost sound supervisor, woman not 7 years old. 7 good years. How do you tell me it's 3 months? Not day. Not day. And I'm your mind is a day. A day. Obi atron finsian so mansuo ni ahono. Wo so fa 3 months nkoti so nani. Nipa kro na. Ya ba munye sa. Munka tese munye sika bi da ba bi. O se e chema enkrofo nya bi. Na ebra so se mbache fine ne ente ho ase. So, ne ente ho ase. Ne on se sika ba. O se e chema abampen 4 regions no. Obi aso nya ka bi a kese en ba o man hye da nya bi to munyi we na obi aso mfa nko fie. Yetias eye kama. Tensa mudu eba be dada na eye sika na mkwa akodie mfaso bi amaso. Minister, faso bi amaso. Sika seye o man sika na yese no kwa. Ye be chama nkrofo na adie. Minister, President Kufuor say no one atre nshem dem. Eye sika seye wo be chama amamfo be di sika ne kwa mampani. O me di sika ne kwa faso bi amaso. Simon Semensa wontimi. Takra de Western region minister on men who kra na oka wasem. Central region ma me say Mary go dey say won ka wasem. Omu ko di sika no min mampedi. Omu ko di sika no. Sika no mkwa akodie. Omu nya hwe. Omu kwa ye hwe. Sika no mkwa akodie. Sika no mkwa akodie. Kono wasem wa mekan. Obejiri said the Minerals Commission penny no work on one portable no. Echo board the this Asem Naman yesem. Aman for 2 Galamsey. Eba kwan ho. This it na wa ma ne ba beduko. The same this year na President Kufuor say ene. O he stop Galamsey or ayo. Konongo. The same DC. Me kan mani abre President Kufuor so no. Ebe no. Yaman penny da Galamsey kono ho. Wada. He's sleeping. Yaman penny ada. What da Galamsey kono ho? Atine sem. Because Mineral Commission papa wo konongo. Esi bi ko bo DC ya manese enkrofo etu Galamsey yibo omutubo DC ya nya ho hwire bedu ka kwa mu. The same person President Kufuor say ko sika. 3 months ye kwoto aba so fa ko faje Galamsey President Kufuor boa. O person dis kapa papa ndi. Oboa. President Oboa. Eya. Me senior why mabu abaso. We are Jamestown the mabu abaso. But man penny Galamsey fight the boboa. One fight it. Ubedi sika ho. One fight baako say kura. Sika no bedi wo. It's so sad. President Kufuor. The worst memory of your administration about the fight against Galamsey. The worst. About the fight against Galamsey. Because why you just empowered people financially to become financially powerful. Why you Galamsey hoche, Mampeni? It's so sad. The president will sound say ne to them. Now show TV, now show yensu. Send any etie. But mama sa picture sa Virginia picture no forest na ensuo na namu no. Na me show picture ba kora me nya akwan enko. Me show picture bi. Obi manso the same forest na ensuo ne namu. Na hwe na senetie. President Kufuor to hu we yente nyofe. Wo hwe we ya, mampani te nyofe. Mampani etiwe ya wo hwe. Enti nya wo fe. Enya wo fe mampani. The same forest o. We kura nwia kura mu chen ye de no we. Sa forest otum hwe nwia kura mu chen ye de no. President we enti nya wo fe. Yo. Mampani ya papa. Baby oya de bu abaso free senior high school 1D 1F ye bu abaso sampa MPP ba ye mo ye we aboa ye damase Kufuor da ban aye we ye damase mo ye bi but mampani wantimi anya ye we ye o President Kufuor wantimi anya ye we after 2 years of ban wantimi anya ye nsuo we bi na ade kwai it would da Mr. President. So when to me and your my gun and so quiet mu say be. And I walk. One yadio. One yadia cra president. One yadia. And Pem can say 3 months and yadia obey. So, but a month for bond training, organized labor, airborne training, ye better tia, it was set munim penifo but munim se munye. Because 2020, send ye equality amenyadi abeyama akweti amoda. Unim se munyadi ambeye. Munye. Bamba se munye na organized labor for say oh mampeni munbwa munye he. Nye sa former ekwa mudi abakwade enye ka first one kra ye. We de enye Hey but ejabe ni dey. Akwasi siyasa bi amka to se metimi aya na meye. Me die ni me bom mampani ya se bi nyese bi amani nesa no ba so te Ghana constitution ase yi anka beti ase he's the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces sa no te ase on te ase eti ka wadwe se bi a ena da bi na boku fodin da bi na boku fodin he is the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces o te sad na se yi pa beti bi enti to no bi ebo ne den no Ghana abenya bi ni wa eye appointment a one pam am for mampani so abenya da appointment 90% every mampani on the power ministers on the power DCs ena ne nkrofo o power mu ya na eja ma yensu ohunu ye o ena enu masa akọ dem asa be ka kire say 3 months to election sa nkrofo na atena 7 years ama nsu ani ahono no Osade Galamsey kuna sa hwom sebiem President Kufuor weda so muye edonya me muye ma pa me kan bia every sebon be yes every person we don't do respect ma pa we kwa muye me dey akwese nsia Asem Yi Di Ka every person mutu also Wele mampeni wa ya dia. Yen shop pensem makra.